Namaste, welcome back once again into another presentation of learning Hindi through English. And in this presentation we're going to learn what are you verb for, alright? ING form of the verb. So the first thing I'm going to tell you, what are you doing? What are you doing? We say आप क्या कर रहे हैं, right? We say आप क्या कर रहे हैं. Whenever you are using ing, then there you have to use raha, maybe you have to use rahi, or maybe you have to use rahe, right? Anil tum kya kar rahe ho, right? Rahe, see, kya kar rahe ho. Raha we have to use when we are talking lower level, like Anil tu kya kar raha hai. So tu level, you know, tu kya kar raha hai, you got it? And Anil ji aap kya kar rahe hain. See, Anil ji aap with respect, you know, kya kar rahe hain. Okay, Sunita ji आप क्या कर रही हैं? रही हैं. Sunita ji, that means it's a female, right? So Sunita ji आप क्या कर रही हैं? Okay, and similarly आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? What are you studying? Right? What are you studying? आप क्या, you know, like आप क्या कर रहे हैं? करना means to do, and now I'm replacing that doing verb by studying. So आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? Right? अनिल जी आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? Like that, you know. So similarly you can ask to a female also, Sunita ji आप क्या कर रही हैं, you know. वैभव जी आप क्या कर रहे हैं, you know, like you can ask in तुम level also, तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो, तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो. I won't teach you to speak in तुम level because it's not a good language. Always try to speak in आप level or in तुम level, but you should know when we use तुम, you know. तुम is when your friend is very close or you're talking in a very lower grade of language, right? So आप क्या कर रहे हैं, आप क्या कर रही हैं, right? आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, आप क्या पढ़ रही हैं. Okay, so similarly you can ask anything. So आप क्या and then verb in the ing form, and at the end it will be है हैं, right? If you are giving respect, then nasal sound will come. आप क्या कर रही हैं, respect comes, alright? And if you're talking in tum level, then it will be simply tum kya kar rahe ho, alright? In tum level it will end with ho, and in aap level it will end with hain with nasal, hain, H-A-I-N, hain, alright? Hain, aap kya kar rahe hain, aap kya padh rahe hain.